Got Cody man outside waiting for the big ice storm. My video was cut off. I believe it's my fault. I didn't have enough fans blowing on the laptop, and I forgot that I had not only the OBS system running, but I also had Photoshop running in the background, so it overtaxes the laptop. It's an older one, so I do have a fan it's sitting on, and I thought normally it would keep it cool enough, but it went black, so I'm still rebooting that computer. You can see it right here, just so I had to switch to my other laptop over there while I'm waiting for all this to reboot. See, I got that cracked screen on it, that's why I have it hooked up to this screen. And I can use the password, hang on. I'm transparent, but not that transparent. Anyways, we got our field reporter, Cody. He's waiting for the snow or the ice. Gave me a minute to calm down on my little rant, right, Cody? What are you doing out here, Cody? Are you waiting for the ice storm, Cody? Yeah? Is that what? 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 Are you telling me there's a storm coming? Is there someone in the well? Did someone fall in the well? Oh, there's an ice storm coming. An extreme one? Is it extreme, Cody? What do you think, Cody? Is it extreme, Cody? Alright, let's take a look at the sky, Cody. Let me take a look up. As normal, we got plasma clouds. It's just a sheet of plasma. Let's zoom in. It looks like you're at a movie right before the movie starts, and then they put that white light up on the canvas or whatever the hell you call the screen. Trying to lighten this up a little bit. We just got nothing you could see beyond the little plasma shelf cloud. I don't know what else to call it. It's just plasma. There's not even any definition to it. The sky is literally just plasma gray, like you're at the theater. And let's say this is being broadcast right here. They're showing you trees on the screen right now. Look how perfect the sky is for a backdrop for a movie. If that was my green screen, which I don't have, you could start seeing how they could use this as a projector screen, right? Very strange. And how they pinpoint this weather to the second now, weeks in advance. Twice in the last 6 months. I told you, I think 14 days in advance, what the weather models were showing, precisely how many inches of snow. And twice over in North Carolina this year, they knew a hurricane was going to land and what town it was going to hit when it was still heading in from Africa. But we can't see radar. Whatever. Anyways, they could predict 14, 16, 18 days advance. 2.6 feet of snow is going to hit this exact town, blah, 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 blah. Amazing how that works out. And amazing how every day, and this is why I'm documenting this, every day, I do it maybe twice a day. I want to do the daytime sky. This is that north direction. When you see my videos at night, this is north. You could tell because the neighbor's got the antenna right there. Mine's on the other side. But when I'm telling you the north view, when the sky is lighting up, it's always the west sky, except for the night of the vortex. That's the west sky right there. And that little light, it looks like a star, is right over the house. See, I think that's a tree sticking up. Yeah. There's a little tip of a tree sticking up by, like, their back door if you go straight up. I'm not trying to look at their house. I'm always trying to look above, just so you don't think I'm weird. But I'll show you where there's a light right there. And that's the light you see every night when I'm showing you the glowing sky, which is west of the little street light. And there are nights where when I turn this way, it will be lit up all the way this way to the north. I don't have a view of my east. What am I looking at? North, west, south behind me. Yeah, so this would be east. So I got a little bit of an east sky. That way. And then south, you got my living room. So I get you 3 corners, but most of the action lately has been in the sky at night, except at sunset. And if anybody wants to help, so we can document this is all I'm doing. I don't know why any of this shit's happening, but I do observe it, and I want to record it for history at this point, because so many people deny it's happening that, I'm closing the window, it's getting cold, that there's so many people denying that it's happening that all I do now is just document it and throw it out there. And I am going through old videos right now, and that's why I'm testing the software. I want to be able to just sit there and go through old videos and talk, and then hopefully as the channel grows, interact with people in live time. That'd be kind of cool. So that's my short-term goal for the channel. And I just want to document everything. So in the future, someday they're going to look back and say, wow, look at the 2018, 2019. There were no clouds anymore. Yeah, some days we do. But I just saw a clip yesterday. Hopefully I could find it again. One of the channel, getting another sucker. One of the channels, I don't know whose it was, but he pulled up a video from like 1986 or something. And it was so different. The sky was blue. The sun was like a yellow-orange. And I don't know if I'm recording anymore. Let me check it out. If it isn't recording, then I'll add to it. If it is, I'll start up another video soon. This is WAGS Chicago. I'm out here.